The next package I have is from a streamer, Nalter Deeds, where you buy in and they open the packs and they send them to you. You got a Tentacruel, put in the sleeve for me, appreciate it. Got that Beedrill, Reverse Hollow Trainer, Bidoof, Meditite, Lotad, Bunny, Slugma, Electrike, okay. Code card. Okay, cool reverse. Cotton to knees. Dupeter. Floon. Sloth. Leon. Leon Hart. What's up, Leon? Snappy. C-Dot. Aracuda. Woobat. Eevee. Mize. Skunkfish. Automatic Energy. Oh, and a Chunkachew. Guys, let me know what you think. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go.